The business world is a battlefield, and only the boldest and most adaptable survive. But what happens when companies face the ultimate challenge, reinventing themselves to stay relevant in a rapidly changing market? This is the story of the Reinvention Champions, companies that dared to defy expectations and transform their very essence. From basket weavers to media moguls. Imagine a basket maker evolving into a media empire. It's not just a shift in business, it's a metamorphosis. WPP, once wire and plastic products, and Nokia, born as a paper mill, are prime examples of this dramatic transformation. But the road to reinvention is fraught with challenges, and many fall short. The Reinvention Champions. The Financial Times, in its quest to celebrate innovation, has identified European companies that have fearlessly altered their business models, products, and services to adapt to the evolving world. These reinvention champions are not just surviving, they're shaping the future. Retail and consumer. IKEA, the iconic furniture retailer, has reinvented its approach. Once a traditional big-box store, it now offers a range of city center shops, delivery services, assembly, and online shopping. By disrupting its own model, IKEA has stayed ahead of the curve. IT and software. Synthesia, a tech startup, has rapidly evolved from a text-to-speech system to a cutting-edge AI company. Its ability to create lifelike human avatars has attracted significant funding, positioning it as a leader in corporate communications. Media and education. Relx, a FTSE 100 group, has undergone a quiet revolution. From publishing legal and scientific texts, it has transformed into a data and analysis powerhouse, specializing in fraud detection and identity verification. Its strategic acquisitions have led to a significant revenue shift, with a focus on the U.S. market. Banking and financial services. Coface, a trade credit insurer, has strategically reinvented itself. By leveraging its underwriting data, it has created a standalone business information service. This pivot showcases the power of data, turning decades of insights into a valuable asset. Healthcare. Convatec's story is one of resilience. After a challenging IPO and profit warnings, it found new life under Karim Baitar's leadership. Increased R&D investment, a focus on innovation, and a shift to solutions-driven medtech have positioned Convatec for success. Industry and manufacturing. Hargreaves Services has left its carbon-intensive past behind. Once a coal mining leader, it has strategically exited the industry and embraced sustainability. Now, it delivers diverse services, including renewable energy solutions, marking a significant transformation. Property and construction. Nixon Hire has answered the call for sustainability. By shifting from a generalist plant hire business to a specialist in sustainable construction equipment, it has not only reduced emissions but also improved efficiency. This strategic move has set a new standard for the industry. These reinvention champions showcase the power of adaptability and innovation. But the question remains, can any company achieve such a dramatic transformation, or is it reserved for the few with the right vision and resources? Share your thoughts on these remarkable business journeys and the secrets behind successful reinvention.